Hi guys, welcome to Benchtop City. I'm Chaz, this is Melanie. We are from fabrication team and today we are going to talk about how to fill up your benchtop order form or as quotation form. First step, you need to select the deco, right? Then you have to go to our Benchtop City website and you can select your preferred color from our color palettes. Mel, what's the second step?
Step 2 is basically you have two styles. You have the Quadro worktop style, which is in stock in our warehouse, ready to go for you, 600 wide and a 900 wide. Secondly, we have custom made bench tops, which are made locally here in our warehouse. You can choose any color that you like. Step 3, Taz.
Yes, step 3. You need to download the benchtop order or else quotation form and you can fill it up. How we can fill it up, Mel?
You can just fill it out with your name, address and details that you need. Sizes and widths are important. More importantly, give us a call if you have any problems. Otherwise, send it through to btc@benchtopcity.com.au.
Yeah, it's a quite simple process, isn't it, Mel?
Yep.
We are here, Benchtop City, for your any assistance if you want something regarding to order benchtop or else when you do your quotations. Have a good day.
Thanks guys, see you soon.
Bye.